The DJI Air series has always been known for making drones that are easy to use and packed with features. And even though the DJI Air 3 just came out last year, people are already excited about what the DJI Air 4 could bring. The leaked images and rumors have people talking about all sorts of new upgrades like better cameras and improved flight features. So let's take a closer look at what we might see in the DJI Air 4. The design of the DJI Air 4 is expected to continue the Air series legacy of being portable and functional. It will likely keep the compact and foldable structure that made the Air 3 popular. This design has always been a key feature for casual users and professionals who need something easy to carry. Reports suggest the Air 4 might have a sleeker and more aerodynamic body. This would make it even easier to transport while staying durable. Whether you're using it for professional shoots or casual outings, it's expected to stay practical and user-friendly. A key feature of the Air series is the foldable arm design. This makes it simple to pack and carry, and the Air 4 is likely to keep this practical element. The look of the drone, as seen in leaked images, seems modern and streamlined. If true, this would reflect DJI's focus on creating drones that look good and work even better. The Air 4 could easily become a top choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. One area where big changes are expected is in the drone's camera setup. The Air 3 impressed with its dual camera system, but rumors suggest the Air 4 might go further with larger 1-inch sensors on both its wide-angle and telephoto cameras. This could mean much better image quality, especially in low-light conditions. The larger sensors could help capture more detail and reduce noise, making this drone great for aerial photographers. Another possible upgrade is the addition of a mechanical shutter, which would minimize rolling shutter distortion. That's a big deal for high-speed photography or precise imaging tasks like surveys or fast-moving subjects. The Air 4 might also include a variable aperture, giving users more creative control over their shots. Adapting to different lighting conditions would be easier, and the results could be more cinematic. Video capabilities could also see improvements. While the Air 3 already supports 4K recording at high frame rates, the Air 4 might enhance this with better bit rates, improved dynamic range, and richer color profiles. These upgrades would make it an appealing option for filmmakers and content creators looking for professional results in a portable package. Flight performance and safety are areas where DJI always aims high, and the Air 4 is no exception. It might include advanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance, using improved sensors and AI for better navigation in tricky environments. This would be particularly useful for flights near trees, buildings, or other obstacles. Better transmission systems are also expected, offering a longer range and more stable signal. These enhancements could make flying more reliable and open up more professional uses. Features like active track, return to home, and obstacle sensing will likely return, but with better algorithms and faster processing power, these tools could become even more precise and user-friendly, making every flight smoother. Battery life is another highlight where the Air 4 could excel. The Air 3 already impressed with a flight time of 46 minutes, and rumors suggest the Air 4 might surpass that. Longer flights mean more time to capture footage without interruptions. This would be great for photographers and videographers who need extended sessions. And it could also be a big advantage for professionals working on tasks like live events or industrial inspections. The Air 4 is expected to launch later this year, following DJI's usual release schedule. This timeline gives DJI a chance to fine-tune the drone and make sure it meets user expectations. If the rumors are accurate, the Air 4 could represent a major leap forward for the Air series with better imaging, advanced flight features, and smart design improvements. This drone could appeal to hobbyists and professionals alike, making it a strong contender in its category. The DJI Air 4 looks like an exciting step forward in the Air series. It is said to bring upgrades in design, imaging, flight tech, and battery life. And if all these rumors are true, it could change what people expect from drones. This one might work for hobbyists who love experimenting and professionals who need high performance. It is all speculation right now, but if DJI confirms these features, this drone might help creators capture even better photos and videos.